Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of the Tangerine Rewards World Elite Mastercard, one of the newest premium rewards credit cards available in Canada. If you're someone who spends regularly on groceries, dining, travel, gas, entertainment, or everyday purchases, and you're looking for a card that combines rewards, travel benefits, insurance coverage, and flexible redemption options, then this card is definitely worth considering. Let's see whether this card deserves a place in your wallet in 2026. The Tangerine Rewards World Elite Mastercard represents Tangerine's move into the premium rewards credit card market. Unlike the bank's traditional cashback cards, this card is built around the Scene Plus Rewards ecosystem, which is one of Canada's largest and most flexible loyalty programs. What makes this card interesting is that it combines customizable rewards earning with premium travel perks and insurance protections. Instead of forcing card holders into fixed bonus categories, Tangerine allows you to choose the spending categories that matter most to you. This creates a much more personalized rewards experience compared to many competing cards. Overall, Tangerine has created a rewards card that focuses on flexibility, customization, and practical value rather than flashy luxury benefits. That approach will appeal to a lot of consumers who want premium features but still want their card to work well for everyday spending. Now let us talk about the main features of the Tangerine Rewards World Elite Mastercard. Earn Scene Plus points on every purchase. The foundation of this card is its Scene Plus rewards earning structure. Cardholders earn 1 Scene Plus point for every dollar spent on all eligible purchases. However, the real value comes from the accelerator categories. You can choose 3 spending categories where you earn 1.5 times the regular Scene Plus points. These categories can be customized based on your spending habits and changed every 90 days if your lifestyle changes. Next is the flexible Scene Plus redemption options. That's the next major advantage. The Scene Plus points can be used for categories like travel bookings, hotel stays, flights, vacation packages, dining purchases, grocery purchases, fuel purchases, entertainment, shopping, gift cards, and statement credits. Next is the airport lounge access. One of the premium benefits is the airport lounge access. Cardholders receive 4 complimentary Dragon Pass airport lounge visits each year. And for travelers who occasionally fly but don't want to pay for a premium travel card costing several $100s annually, these lounge passes can provide meaningful value. Next is the fuel savings benefits. The card includes special fuel benefits through Shell. When linked with Shell Go Plus, cardholders can receive fuel savings and additional rewards value on eligible fuel purchases. And there's a travel insurance coverage. The insurance package is another area where the card delivers premium value. These protections can save travelers hundreds of dollars compared to purchasing separate insurance policies. And there's the purchase protection and extended warranty. Yes, the card includes shopping protections, and eligible purchases receive purchase assurance coverage, extended warranty protection, event ticket protection as well. Also, card holders gain access to Mastercard travel rewards, Mastercard priceless experiences, premium dining offers, entertainment offers, travel discounts, and partner promotions. Now, having talked about all of these benefits, what is the pricing of the card like? The card has an annual fee of $120. The purchase interest rate is 20.95% and the cash advance interest rate is 22.95%. Now, what are the pros and cons of using this card? First, the pros. It has excellent rewards flexibility. The bonus categories are customizable. It has premium travel perks, comprehensive insurance package, fuel savings opportunities, and it is a strong everyday card. How about the cons? The annual fee might be on the high side, and there also exists strong competition for this card. The Tangerine Rewards World Elite Mastercard succeeds because it focuses on flexibility. So, for the right person, that flexibility can be more valuable than having a slightly higher rewards rate. And for many Canadians, that's exactly what makes it such a compelling card in 2026. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Scotiabank Passport Visa Infinite Card, Tangerine Money Back World Mastercard, and American Express Cobalt Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.